Hello, welcome back to Himalayan Explorers. My name is Vishan. Today I've come up with a new video which is based on a local temple which is called Binani Mahadev. It is situated in Kullu district, Himachal Pradesh. Village Binan, which is around 125 kilometers from district Kullu via Banjar, Soja, Jalori Pass, Anni National Highway. Now I'm going to take you through the video, so stay with me and enjoy watching the video. So now friends, I'm going to talk about the history of the temple. So local name of the temple is Binani Mahadev and Vedic name is Lomash Rishi. Now the video is started to play. So you can see this is a newly constructed temple of the goddess. It is 4-story newly constructed temple which is made out of completely stone and wood, which is done with the great work of architecture, with the sculpture and skills have been implemented to create this temple. So long years ago there was a farmer named called Shardu. One day he was plowing in his field near the Janar pond in the Binnal village. When he was plowing, his plow stuck to some metallic article that made a very loud sound. Due to that, oxen stopped moving, and this farmer Shadu, he saw the mohra has stuck his plow. As a result, which the mark had been made on the face of the mohra. So then he picked it up and brought it to the home, and where he called all the villagers and talk about this what happened to him. Then people came to know that he was the Devta, but the villager didn't know where to establish him. In the night, the Devta appeared in the dream of a person and told, "Go to the same place where I was found. The place where you will see the ant stops. In this place you have to establish the temple for me." Next day the man told the same dream about the last night to the villager and visited the same place. They really saw the ants were moving in a long queue and towards a particular direction, where the people followed them, and they then constructed the temple and Devta was found. Another tale goes to that many years ago, temple of Binani Mahadev existed around 2 kilometers away from the small village Binyan. The temple was buried in a landslide due to some kind of disaster or maybe something happened. So later the statue was found in the field of Shardu, where he found the small mohra, which is this today. Now the temple is placed in the village. Now Devta has 11 mohras, and all the mohras have inscriptions. So now looking at the temple, you can see the kind of work is done. It's a newly created temple. It took long time, and the work is really stunning and incredible. I really appreciate to those creators of this temple, have done really great job, and I want to tell to the world that what kind of culture and temples we have in Himachal Pradesh, and I'm working on it. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please stay with me and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm going to bring you lots and lots of new things to the world so that you guys can enjoy and get some time to watch my videos and visit these places. So by this video, I'm inviting all of you, please come and visit those such places. And for more information, you can put the comment below. I can help you out and give you some suggestions and advices how to get there if you're really interested to come and visit the Himalayan side and enjoy such beautiful places with a lot of cultures and diversity among the people. People are really, really nice, simple, and full of heart. So, this is about it. So, catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.